Welcome to the Siam Centre Law Group podcast with me, Barrister Garn. In today's episode, we delve into the critical aspects of divorce cases in Thailand. The winding road of divorce can be convoluted, but understanding what can be claimed in a divorce case could provide some clarity. First and foremost, let's talk about compensation claims. In situations where either spouse is involved in an extramarital affair, there's a right to claim compensation, as outlined in Section 1523 of the Civil and Commercial Code of Thailand. Interestingly, if there's no divorce lawsuit, the compensation can be claimed from the person involved in the affair with the spouse, but not from the spouse themselves. Moving on to the second point, marital property division. Similar to many countries in Thailand, assets acquired during the marriage are considered marital property. Upon divorce, these must be divided in accordance with the law. This often includes properties, bank accounts, and other assets. The division process seeks to ensure a fair allocation. Next, let's discuss child support, an emotional and vital aspect. When one party takes on the sole responsibility of childcare, they can petition for child support from the other parent. In Thailand, child support can generally be claimed until the child turns 20. If you've been shouldering the burden alone, you can ask for retroactive support for up to 5 years. Last, but certainly not least, is the matter of child custody. A divorce proceeding may also encompass a battle for custody. In cases where an amicable agreement can't be reached, it's up to the court to determine which parent will be granted custody. This decision considers various factors to ensure the child's best interests are at heart. Wrapping up, it's important to recognize that divorce cases often have ripple effects. While it's always desirable to reach a mutual agreement through mediation, sometimes that just isn't possible. In those cases, the family courts in Thailand are the venue where these issues are adjudicated. Thank you for joining me, Barrister Garn, on this episode of the Siam Centre Law Group podcast. Divorce can be a tumultuous time, but understanding your rights and the claims involved can be empowering. Be sure to tune in for future episodes as we continue to navigate the legal landscape together.